In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Python file to Bitbucket. First, open Bitbucket in your browser and sign in with your Atlassian account. On the login page, choose the option to continue with Google if that's how your account is set up. Select your Google account to complete the sign-in. If you're already logged in, you'll land right on your Bitbucket workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open Repositories. This shows all repositories in your workspace. Click the repository where you want to add your Python file. You'll be taken to the repository's source view, typically on the main branch unless you changed it. At the top of the file list, find the More Actions menu, usually shown as 3 dots. Click that, then choose Add File. This opens Bitbucket's online editor where you can create a new file directly in your repo. Give your file a clear, valid Python file name and make sure it ends with .py. For example, script.py or dataprocessor.py. Avoid spaces and special characters. Underscores work well. If you want to place the file in a folder, you can include a path like src/utils/your-helpers.py, and Bitbucket will create the folders if they don't exist. Now paste or type your Python code into the editor. The editor supports syntax highlighting, so it's easy to spot formatting issues. If you're drafting something simple, even a quick print "Hello Bitbucket" can be a good placeholder while you set things up. Take a moment to double-check indentation and imports. Python is sensitive to whitespace, and a quick scan now can save troubleshooting later. Below the editor, you'll see the commit form. Enter a concise, descriptive commit message, such as add initial Python script for data processing. Confirm the target branch if needed. Most of the time, you'll commit to main or whatever your default branch is. When you're ready, click Commit to save your new file. In many cases, Bitbucket will show a confirmation dialog or a second commit button to finalize the change. Go ahead and click Commit again to confirm. Once the commit completes, you'll be returned to the repository view with your new .py file listed. Click it to verify the contents and ensure everything looks correct. That's it, you've signed in, navigated to your repository, created a new Python file with the correct extension, added your code, and committed the change right from the browser. If you plan to add more files or make larger edits, consider working on a feature branch and opening a pull request for review. Thanks for watching and happy coding!